A very happy Wednesday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz, taking a deeper dive into the forecast. We don't have widespread rain across western Washington today. However, we're not done with the rain just yet. Expecting scattered showers today, breezy conditions, some sun breaks, and a few thunderstorms today, especially because we've had some sun breaks. And any more sun breaks that we get, that just adds instability to the atmosphere for thunderstorms to develop. I'll show you what I mean coming up in just a few minutes, but we'll also get some more mountain snow. It's not going to be as heavy or as widespread as what we've had, but still that winter storm warning continues. It's going to be cold tonight as we start to dry things out, clear out, maybe a few showers up in the mountains tomorrow, and something to look forward to tomorrow, our first 8 o'clock sunset of the season. Here's a look at the rain coverage for the next couple of days. Today it's going to be scattered in nature. Thursday and Friday we're mostly dry, maybe a few showers late Saturday, and then into Sunday a better chance for some showers, but for now the bulk of it looks to be more so closer to the coast and the Olympic Peninsula, but that could certainly change. As we head into the weekend, our temperatures are going to start to come up, our snow levels coming above past level as well, and then into next week lingering showers with highs in the 60s. So today will be the coldest day, and it's all thanks to this cold front that cleared the area, but in wake of that we still have unstable air. We have really cold air aloft, so don't be surprised if you even see a couple of wet flakes down to about 1,000 feet or so. I saw a few trying to mix in up about 1,500 feet, maybe down to 1,000 feet. But as this upper level disturbance swings overhead, that's going to lead to more scattered showers and that risk for some thunderstorms. Let's head up to Alpental. This is the mid-mountain camera, and just lots of snow. Lots of snow fell over the past 24 hours, and here's some of the snow totals. Mount Baker always the winner, but Alpental 13 inches, Stevens Pass 12 inches, and then at Snoqualmie Pass, so the base, only about 4 to 6 inches, and White Pass 9 inches of fresh snow. And we're not done with it just yet. That winter storm warning continues through tonight, an additional maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow. However, there is a chance we get isolated higher totals because we could have some heavier snow showers as well as a convergence zone setting up later, which Futurecast is picking up on that. And our in-house model is picking up on that potential, showing some isolated higher spots due to that convergence zone. And once again, wouldn't be surprised to see a few wet flakes in the mix, especially if you get a heavier shower that could push the snow level down. Later today, once again, there is that risk for a couple of thunderstorms from about Everett southward, so Puget Sound, the Kitsap Peninsula, as well as the Olympic Peninsula and the coast. Lightning, small hail, or graupel will be possible. It's really going to be more isolated, scattered, if anything, and that threat starts around lunchtime or so into the afternoon. You see these yellow specks, that is where we'll have the greatest chance for maybe a thunderstorm or two. So it's really going to be more spotty to scattered at best. And then once we get closer to about 7 o'clock or so, that threat will come to an end. Here's a look from Queen Anne toward downtown. Visibility was fine earlier, but now it's starting to lower, as you can see. But taking you up to Everett, we had some nice sunshine. Now the clouds are starting to fill back in. So once again, that adds fuel to the atmosphere. So instability for thunderstorms to develop. Offshore right now we have scattered to numerous showers. Those are going to spread over the area as the day goes on. So morning showers and then afternoon thunderstorms, some sun breaks, and the risk for thunderstorms will come to an end. But with that being said, if you have any outdoor plans, whether the kids have sports or you're just going to be outdoors in general, if you hear thunder, be sure to head indoors. Taking you through the Futurecast, so here's around 1:30 or so, and you see some some spotty to scattered showers, and you see where we have pops of yellow, that could be a stronger shower, if not a thunderstorm. And then models are starting to pick up on that convergence zone, setting up even as early as this afternoon from Snohomish County southward, and that's where we would have the best chance for some heavier snow showers between Highway 2 and then I-90. Here is around 5 o'clock, and you see more showers and thunderstorms moving through the area, and then a lot of it should start to come to an end. The precipitation late tonight, but we'll likely still have some snow showers up in the mountains, possibly even lower snow levels, as I mentioned. So once again, not expecting any accumulating snow in the lowlands, but don't be caught off guard if you see some wet flakes in the mix. But again, today our highs are going to be in the 40s, so it would be too mild, if you will, for it to stick anyway. Then we get into our Friday and things start to really settle on down. Once we get rid of some of the low clouds or some fog in the morning, Thursday is going to be pretty quiet as well. And then into Saturday, we'll have increasing clouds, but our temperatures go up through Friday night. And even though the rain and the precipitation will come to an end before then, the model goes out till Friday night. And you see maybe an additional 1/10 of an inch up to 1/2 of an inch of rain here in the lowlands. As for our highs today, I mentioned it is going to be rather chilly, mid and upper 40s to about 50 degrees, also going to be rather blustery for a good chunk of the area. And I mentioned if you are going to be outside for any activities and if you're going to the Sounders match, this is the quarterfinal, so the 2 out of 2 in terms of the match for the CONCACAF Champions Cup, and we'll have those showers out there. It's looking likely that, especially if it sets up over Central Sound, we would have more rain, maybe a rumble of thunder over Central Sound. But kickoff is at 8:30, so the longer or the later the game is, so 8:30, we'll lose some of that instability, but still don't let any rain or thunderstorm catch you off guard. Make sure you wear layers as well, because temperatures are going to be on the cold side during the game. And it's going to be cold overnight, so much so that the National Weather Service issued a freeze watch in place tonight through Thursday morning, basically from southern Hood Canal through the southwest interior, South Sound, all the way down to the Chehalis River Valley. Temperatures as low as about 29 degrees, so that could kill any of your plants, sensitive vegetation, so heads up to gardeners, and don't forget about your pets as well. Through tonight, we'll have temperatures for most spots in the mid-30s, but you see our coldest spots will likely drop close to freezing, if not below freezing. Into Thursday, we'll start to warm things up near normal, mid and upper 50s, and then we'll have that gradual clearing. So looking ahead, once again, even though you don't really see it, this is the low for Seattle. Thursday night into Friday morning, we're expecting the potential for more frosty conditions in our coldest spots in the low and mid 30s, possibly once again Friday night and into Saturday. But over the weekend into next week, we're in the 60s. Beyond the 7-day forecast, and as we wrap up April, you see temperatures may even be above normal, maybe a few days below normal, but as a whole, it's looking likely that we're going to have temperatures in the 60s once again, maybe a few breaks with cooler air, maybe some rain. But all in all, spring is definitely here, even though it doesn't feel like it. If you want to see more weather, especially extended weather forecast, you can download our free King 5 Plus streaming app on your TVs, king5.com, as well as our free King 5 app on your phone.